Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset OPPO Reno 14 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. You can see. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Now slide downward to power it off. Now it is successful power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power button together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. And now release. Now here select language. It will send you in recovery. You can see format data, reboot device and power off is available there. Tap on format data. So you can see, please enter verification code. It is 6352. Enter it 6352. And you can see on bottom all user data will be reset. Now tap on format. As you can see wiping, please wait. Do not perform any other operations. And you can see on bottom data is successfully formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset might again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset OPPO Reno 14 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.